We are in the market since 70 years in such a competitive market simply because we are able to produce a very good motor. What does it mean? Fitting the customer requirements, but also providing add value with a high efficiency motor. Brusatori is an Italian excellence that produces electric motor in motion control applications, which are perfectly fitting with the KEB drive and many other vendors. I'm Sala. I'm the managing director of Brusatori. With our customer, they report me very good feedback. And it's nice for me to hear that when they touch the motor, for example, they find it always not too hot. The motor are really efficient inside. To guarantee high quality, we pay attention to every single process. We pay attention to the machinery, to the maintenance of the machinery, to guarantee continuous production without downtime. We manage the entire process, starting from the idea down to the design, to the prototyping and the production. And so that's the reason why we are able to transform an idea in a concrete product. Brusatori and KEB has a common point, which is definitely the attention to the customer needs and defining details which can help the customer to realize and to achieve their targets and competing in international market with competitive products.